Hello, this is John from Currencies, and this is review number 340. And this week I'm looking at some of the 240 charts, specifically the dollar Swiss franc, the euro dollar, the euro yen, and the Aussie USD. Of these four charts, they all had obviously dots on them, and this was the totals for the week. On the euro dollar, we had a validation of 126.91, and to date we are not out of this trade yet. It is still open. Market closed at 129.27. This trade is up 236 pips per our rules. We have not exited this trade yet. I would, if I were you, have raised our stops to validation to lock in, a couple hundred, if not 175 pips of profit for this particular validation here on the black dot. But to date, it is still open at plus 236 per rules. On the dollar Swiss franc, we had a gray dot that validated at 95.37, and we exited this trade on a black dot in the opposite direction at 94.09 for a plus booked 128 pips per our rules. On the euro dollar, we had a dot that validated at 97.30. And we validated this particular gray dot in the opposite direction, closed it at 99.42 for a plus 212. And the final pair was the Aussie dollar, which validated along at 103.36, which is still open. This dot did not validate at this black one here. But we're still in. Market close was 104.81. This trade is plus 145. Now, something interesting I did again to show that we should be traveling or trading with the overall higher time frame and validated signals. This is a screenshot here or chart of the euro dollar 15-minute chart. And I'm not going to go through every single trade, but I do want to note that if we would have taken all of the long trades, of which there were 10 of them, we would have had 7 winners, 3 losers for a plus 76 pips, in addition to the 236 on the long 240. If we would have taken 9 short trades, trading all of them, 9 of them, you would have had 8 losers, 1 winner for minus 163 pips. So we had a total of 19 trades on the 15-minute charts. So obviously you see that trading with the trend and with our validated 240 signals. And if you would look back at any one of the 4 that I mentioned today, euro yen, dollar Swiss franc, Aussie Aussie dollar, you would see similar results trading with those higher time frame signal directions. That's no tricks, no nothing. That's just being smart and trading with the overall higher time frame trend. Okay, this is John from Currencies, and this was review and weekly review number 340. Have a good day. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.